Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can clear chat history on Emo. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Emo app in a device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on storage and data. Then you can see the option of clear chat history. Tap on it. Then tap on delete. So this is how you can delete chat history on Emo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.